Hello guys, this is JB here, and today we are going to talk about what to do once your car gets stuck in the sand, especially when it's next to the beach. See, the first common mistakes people do is they drive the four-wheel car thinking that it will easily go through the sand, but we have to understand that we need to deflate the tires depending on how deep the sand is. You see, especially when it's next to the sea. My car, I have reduced the psi to 15 only, and that's the ideal one. Tire pressure to 15 psi is the first thing. Let's see what we have to do uh, inside the car when you get stuck. The first thing is you might be having similar control over here in your car. We need to put it on the sand and turn off the traction control. That's the first thing we need to do, and we can check it that it is being done from this way, from on your dashboard. You can see we made a track on the sand with our own car only, without help of anyone. So let's say if your car is going to get stuck, you can't go further, you just need to push it back the same way which you came. This way it will make the track of its own. The second thing people do is they try to find any trash from the nearby place, like this wood. They will put it under the tire, which will make it more worst, because the tire will slip on this one, or even on the rocks. If you try to keep any stone or something under your tire, thinking that it will the tire will go on top of it and it will come out, no. See, one more thing which I did, never put hard brakes on the sand when you're stopping. Always slow down, slowly give a pedal, slowly give a race, and slowly put the brakes on. This way your car will not instantly stuck in the sand.